Now, when we need it, of course, this is important, right? This is important. This interview question. The moment you have done your manual testing, you are in a sprint, you have done the user story, developer has developed the backend logic, and the DevOps engineer deployed the code on the staging or the test environment. You have done the testing diligently, and using the Postman. You can use the Postman, you can use any testing tools, and the positive testing, negative testing, all the testing is done. And immediately you have to identify, means reusability. The moment you identify, I need to automate this, at that time you have to do the backend automation testing. But if you do the backend automation testing right after the development is done, bad practice. Okay, because that's not how it works. The way I said it, understand the user story, complete the backend testing diligently, the positive, negative, create the test cases, review it, make sure everything is working fine, and it has been the flawless, no problem. Now you actually develop the backend automation. When you do the backend automation, it becomes the continuous integration, which goes to the DevOps best practice, and it is called the regression testing. And also it run during the maintenance. Do you know what does maintenance means? Maintenance means every platform, they need to go to party. Okay, that's it. Means they need to do a break. Means they clean up the environment, clean up the front end temporary file, clean up the back end temporary file, clean up the database file. We call the maintenance mode. Okay, I said it party so you understand very easily. Maintenance mode means in a certain period of time, every day or every week, every server restart again. Restart, the purpose is clean up everything else. So the server become fresh and all the garbage is removed. So after the server is back, backend automation you run, and it will identify whether all the service is running or not. Can you run it manually, all this? Impossible. Should you do that? You should never. Is it effective if you do it manually? Hell no. So again, backend automation. Before deployment, after deployment. So developer, the push a code to Git, right? And the code is built, and now the immediately backend automation kicks off, right? It run everything, it pass. So it will be merging the code to the staging environment, test environment. Code is failed, it is stopping immediately. Now developer will be finding out what happened. Well, that's the Cypress has a reporting. While this report has been sent to the developer and everybody, they will say, well, 5 API pass, 6 and 7 API failed, 8, 9, 10 API pass. Well, now they know which API failed. So again, proactiveness, right? They find out immediately and they fix it, they push it again. Who created this backend API automation? QA did it. So they're adding the value in the team. What are the benefits? Quality, right? And what are the other benefits? Being proactive. What are the other benefits? Stopping the bug. What are the other benefits? Other benefits is you are actually the entire team, you are supporting the entire team, make your application quality in the action, automation, and mostly you are covering the regression on everything you do. Go next.